Today's tutorial focuses on blending portrait photography with rich botanical textures to create a nature-driven double exposure. Start by selecting a clean portrait with strong contrast between subject and background. Remove the background and place a floral or leafy landscape underneath the portrait layer. Change the portrait's blending mode to screen or lighten to allow the natural elements to merge gently with the facial contours. Use a soft brush on the mask to control where the plants appear and fade areas you want to keep clean. Next, add subtle green and gold tints through gradient map to harmonize both layers. Introduce slight haze around edges for a dreamy aesthetic. Add a mild texture overlay to give it an organic surface feel. Once complete, your portrait